The Pearl of the Orient Seas.
Philippines.
The country by its nickname, doubled letters. Ready, set, go! Number 1, Graveyard of Empires.
Afghanistan.
Tama. The Pearl of the Orient Seas.
Philippines.
Tama. The Hermit Kingdom. Dito 3.
Oo nga no. Kala mo nga hanggang doon.
Next, 3. The Hermit Kingdom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
North Korea.
Tama, North Korea. Uy. The Land of the Morning Calm.
Ang dali. South Korea.
Tama. The Emerald of the Equator.
Indonesia.
Tama.
Wow.
Galing oh.
Indonesia na.
The Lion City. Number 6, The Lion City.
Yemen na.
Oh, The Lion City.
Singapore.
Tama, Singapore. Asia's World City.
Dali na. Wait lang! Kunin mo. Hong Kong?
Tama, Hong Kong.
Kala ko mali.
8, Land of Blue Sky.
Mongolia.
Tama, ang galing mo. India's Teardrop.
Ah.
India's Teardrop.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Land of Smiles. Ten,
Land
9,
of
8, 7, 6, 5.
Sobrang naman ang ina sa isa.
Land of Smiles. 10, 9, 8.
Finland.
Ikaw, ano? Next.
Finland. Thailand.
Thailand. Tama. 10, Land of the Thunder Dragon. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano na ba? Secret?
Oh,
Simula. Bilis ko. Ikaw pa lang. Five.
Four.
Taba.
Mali.
Butang.
Butan.
Oh! Butang.
Tama, Butan. The Red Dragon. Ito lang.
China.
China.
Oh, China yun!
The Jewel of the East.
India.
Tama. 15, Land of the
Japan.
Rising Sun.
Japan. Badali eh.
16, Vegas of the East.
Macau.
Tama. Next. Cradle of the Asian Civilization.
Iraq.
Iraq. Tama.